Morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Tank Jones here, and I wanted to thank you personally for coming to the website. I get really excited when I see people doing things to improve their health and their wellness and their fitness. You can order the tea or your coffee, whatever your drink of choice is, right down below. But before you do, I've discovered something really cool that I really want to show you, so I want you to stay tuned after this. Watch this quick video.
If you've been lucky enough to stumble onto this short video, you're about to discover how it's possible to turn the long lines that you see every day at those coffee shops into an online business. A business that's already allowing people just like you to create an income from home of $20,000, even $30,000 a month, and you won't believe how they're doing it. So let's get started. Did you know that an estimated 120 million people will drink herbal tea and coffee today? And the key is they'll get up tomorrow and do it again. And in the next few minutes, we're going to show you how to tap into this billion-dollar industry of herbal tea and coffee, the two most popular drinks sold in the history of the world, with your very own internet infomercial. An infomercial that's capable of putting real checks in your mailbox every week. Your goal is simple. Using the friends list you already have on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, even Twitter. You just need to locate one person a day, just one, that drinks tea or coffee, and simply refer them, not sell. Simply refer them to the Your 3 Steps to Success website that you're on right now. That will introduce them to a new and superior tea and coffee product. A product that's already helped hundreds of people to lose weight and detox and cleanse their body. That's it. That's all it takes, just minutes a day to promote your new Total Life Changes online business. When someone sees the same exact video that you're watching right now and sees the results that hundreds of people have already received from our exclusive herbal tea and coffee detox system, your job is done. Think about it. This website and video does 80% of the work for you. It's like having your very own internet infomercial that works for you 24/7 while you're on vacation or even sleeping. And we all know infomercials have been used to sell billions of dollars in products on TV. And you can now take just minutes a day to post and promote this video. Basically your own internet infomercial on billion-dollar websites like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And you can do it for free. Your internet infomercial will now send prospects that already drink tea and coffee on a daily basis right to this website without you saying a word. The key to your success is simple. You're not selling. You're simply referring people to a superior product that they already buy every day. When someone starts to feel better, look better, or even lose those unwanted pounds, two things will most likely happen. They will either become a customer and order the product every month, or maybe they decide to join your team and start their own business when they realize how simple it really is. Either way, the end results are real checks in your mailbox. I'm sure you can see at this point, you may have just discovered what may be the simplest online business ever, and your chance to turn the long lines that you see every day at those coffee shops into an online gold mine. And the best part is, when you buy the TLC Detox System, you get the online business for free. That's right, absolutely free. But it gets even better. The CEO of Total Life Changes is so confident that you'll succeed with this business, he's even going to let you test drive the product and the business for a full 30 days without risking one dime. That's right, if you don't feel better, look better, or truly believe you finally found the perfect online business, you pay nothing. So the only question is, who do you know that drinks tea and coffee? And who do they know that drinks tea and coffee? And who do they know? You get the idea. Now it's time to take action. Step 1. Call the representative below and place your TLC order today. This will immediately activate your own TLC corporate website, so you can now take orders and watch your business grow. Step 2. Activate your own Your 3 Steps to Success website by simply clicking the link below. Step 3. Promote your TLC business and infomercial by posting your new Your 3 Steps to Success website on billion-dollar social websites like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And you can do it for free. That's it. That's all it takes to go to bed tonight a business owner in the billion-dollar industry of herbal tea detox and weight loss. But you guessed it, it gets even better. When you act today, you're also going to receive a second internet infomercial that promotes our new breakthrough timeless product shown here that's allowing people to look 10 years younger in less than 2 minutes. Think about it. Isn't it time to finally put the internet to work for you with your own internet infomercials? Sure it is. And last but not least, I'd like to bring on a very special guest, my friend and business partner, Tank Jones. Now, you might recognize Tank Jones from Emmy award-winning shows like CSI Miami and Breaking Bad, just to name a few. And I'm also happy to say that Tank Jones is a part of the Total Life Changes family. And at this time, I'd like to turn this presentation over to my friend and business partner, Tank Jones.
So you see why I was so excited to get you to watch that video? Isn't that awesome? Guys, yes, you can go ahead and you can order the product, the tea or the coffee, and that be it, and you're going to love your results, and you'll probably be ordering it every month. But how would you like to work with me directly? How would you like to work with my business partner, Mike Demetrio, who is the author of the best-selling book, Insider Tells All? How would you like to work with all of us for free? All you have to do is to order the product and you'll get the business for free. Not only the business, you get to work side by side with me and also Mike to help you build your business for a limited time. Make sure you purchase whatever it is that you're looking to purchase, and also be sure to sign up for us. I'll give you a call personally and we'll start working on your future. What would an additional $500,000, $5,000 a month do for you and your family? Let's find out, shall we?